Hello and welcome. Today we embark on a journey to cultivate joy within your homes through the simple yet profound presence of houseplants. If you're new to plant care, let go of any worries, for we'll explore 5 easy-to-care-for houseplants perfect for beginners. Together, we'll discover the simple joys of nurturing these plants, witnessing their growth as they nourish our well-being. Let us begin with the snake plant, a true embodiment of resilience and quiet strength. Its tall, sword-like leaves stand upright, reaching for the light, much like a warrior's spirit. Don't be intimidated by its strong presence, for the snake plant is incredibly forgiving and requires minimal care. It asks for little, content with infrequent watering, only when the soil is completely dry. The snake plant is a natural air purifier, working tirelessly to cleanse your home of toxins while you rest and recharge. Place your snake plant in a bright corner, allowing it to bask in the warmth of the sun. Truly, the snake plant is a testament to the enduring power of nature, a perfect companion for those seeking tranquility in their homes. Next, we welcome the graceful pothos, its cascading vines reminiscent of a verdant waterfall, bringing a sense of movement and life to your home. Each heart-shaped leaf, a symbol of affection and joy, unfurls with a delicate beauty that sparks joy with every glance. The pothos, like the snake plant, is remarkably low maintenance, a testament to nature's resilience. It thrives in a variety of light conditions, adapting to its surroundings with ease. Imagine the pothos perched upon a shelf, its vines gracefully trailing downwards, adding a touch of effortless elegance to your decor. Or perhaps picture it nestled in a hanging basket, its lush foliage creating a living work of art. The simple act of tending to its needs, of providing it with water and light, becomes a meditative practice, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. Now let's turn our attention to the ZZ plant, a true testament to nature's ability to thrive, even in the most challenging of circumstances. Its sturdy architectural form exudes an air of quiet strength and resilience. The ZZ plant is a master of adaptation, content to live in low-light conditions with minimal watering. It's the perfect companion for those who may not have a green thumb, or for busy individuals seeking to add a touch of nature to their lives without adding to their to-do list. Observe the deep green, glossy leaves of the ZZ plant, each one a symbol of prosperity and growth. Place your ZZ plant in a quiet corner, allowing it to stand as a silent guardian, a beacon of strength and perseverance. Its presence alone is a reminder that even in the face of adversity, life finds a way to flourish. The spider plant, a cascade of vibrant green, its arching leaves reaching outwards like graceful arms, eager to embrace the world. Each plantlet, dangling like a tiny spider on a silken thread, represents new beginnings and the boundless potential for growth. This plant, with its air-purifying qualities, is like a breath of fresh air for your home. It cleanses the air, creating a sense of lightness and clarity within your space. The spider plant is incredibly easy to propagate, a testament to its generous spirit. Simply snip off a plantlet, nurture it with care, and soon you'll have another plant to share with a loved one. Place your spider plant in a high location, allowing its plantlets to dangle freely, creating a whimsical and enchanting display. Finally, we meet the peace lily, a symbol of serenity and tranquility. Its elegant white blooms, resembling doves in flight, evoke a sense of peace and harmony, transforming your home into a sanctuary of calm. The peace lily, with its graceful demeanor, is surprisingly resilient. It thrives in moderate light and prefers to dry out slightly between waterings. As you care for your peace lily, observe how its leaves droop slightly when it's thirsty, a gentle reminder to offer it a drink. Place your peace lily in a quiet corner of your home, allowing its presence to inspire a sense of tranquility and mindfulness. Let it serve as a reminder to slow down, to breathe deeply, and to find moments of peace amidst the busyness of life. As we conclude our journey through the world of houseplants, may you feel inspired to cultivate your own indoor oasis, a sanctuary filled with the life and joy that only plants can bring. Embrace the imperfections, the learning curves, and the quiet moments of connection that come with nurturing another living being. Thank you for joining me on this adventure. May your homes be filled with the vibrant energy and tranquility of these wonderful houseplants. Until next time, happy planting!